Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So recently friends, I did get the Realme UI 2.0 update in the Realme X7 Pro device. So right now I am using the Realme X7 Pro, so which has the Realme UI 1.0, but recently I did receive the update of the Realme UI 2.0. So in this video I'll try to update the Realme UI 2.0. So I'll just calculate how much time it actually takes for the update to be done. So this is a video so which will be really helpful in case if you want to know how much time it does take. And there is another video where I described each and every feature, explaining as I think 8 to 9 minutes of video. So make sure to watch that video friends, just in case if you want to know more details about these features and update size. So just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also hit like for this video, and make sure to check the playlist in the description for more videos on the wallpapers and other information. So let's get started friends. First thing is that let me try to take this stopwatch phone. So it is a stopwatch, so let me try to start the stopwatch and update at same time. So let's see how much time it actually takes to complete update the phone. So let me try to click the update. So it's trying to verify, and right now it should soon start. So let's see friends how much time it actually takes for the verifying as well. So right now I did connect my phone to the internet as well. As you can see, the Wi-Fi connection is there. Sometimes the verification can take a little bit more time. As you can see friends, it took some 22 seconds of completely verifying. So now the phone started to install. So let's see how much time it actually takes to completely install this update, which the Realme 2.0 is. So right now the phone got turned on by itself. So let's see friends how much time it actually takes to install this update, and you can see that bottom it says recovery mode. So now right now it's trying to install the update. So meanwhile friends, in case if you're having any other doubts regarding the Realme X7 Pro, so make sure to check the links in description. And in case if you did not receive the update, don't worry, you will be receiving the update very soon. As you can see, I have already uploaded so many videos on the Realme X7 Pro. The videos will be helping a lot. In case if you are already a user and if you have any problems, make sure to check the playlist. And after the updating this Realme UI 2.0, I'll be testing the phone by using myself. I'll be using the phone for the next couple of days, testing the battery, camera and performance levels. All this kind of features I'll try to test before and after, so we can compare exactly how the results are in this phone. So this is my main focus will be there. So main focus is the battery. Next is the performance. So next I'll try to focus on the camera and other aspects of the phone. So let's see friends how much time it actually takes, and right now it's showing around 90% of the percentage got filled. So let's see. So right now the time took about 2 minutes. So close to 2 minutes of time total took in this phone to update. And here is a Realme X2 Pro friends. So this is the Realme X2 Pro, so which I am using for the past 1.5 years. So it's a really good decent mobile phone. So I'm waiting for the update even in this phone as well for the Realme UI 2.0. So let's see, hopefully I should get very soon, as soon as possible in this phone. I'm just waiting for the update to come. So again I'll be back friends once the update has been installed, and then I can show you how much time it actually taken. As you can see friends, right now the update got installed and the phone is trying to restart. So let's see friends what will be the animation will be there. Is there any change in the animation or not? So that is what another thing we can start checking from the beginning. So right now the time is about close to 4 minutes of time. So this is how much time it actually taken to install the update. So still the update is not installed, and you can see the animation, it's kind of same kind of animation like before. So there is nothing much difference here in terms of the animation. So still loading, still booting up. So as soon as I see the lock screen, then I'll try to pause the stopwatch. So it took about 4 minutes and 15 seconds to completely install the Realme UI successfully in this phone. So I can see a lot of changes are happening right now itself in this phone. So I can see the top, everything got changed, and let me try to show you the about phone. So about phone is here, and Realme UI 2.0 Android 11 update, it's successfully installed. As you can see friends, Android 11 is installed successfully. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll try to test more and more details on this particular phone, and stay tuned and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.